Today, I am reviewing ASUS 2025 TUF-F16 Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming laptop that balances raw power, durability, and portability, the ASUS 2025 TUF-F16 Gaming Laptop is one of the most exciting options available in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who needs a high-performing laptop for work and school, this machine has features that will impress even the most demanding users. Let's start with the CPU, because this is the brain of the laptop. The ASUS TUF-F16 is powered by the Intel Core i7-14650HX, a 16-core processor with a turbo boost of up to 5.2 GHz. This is a next-generation CPU, designed not just for gaming but also for multitasking and professional applications. Imagine running AAA games, streaming on multiple platforms, while also editing 4K videos or working on 3D projects. This CPU handles all of it smoothly. The AI-enhanced thermal management keeps it cool, ensuring that even during long gaming sessions or heavy creative workloads, the performance remains consistent. Paired with this powerhouse CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, featuring 8 GB of GDDR5 RAM. This is a serious graphics card capable of ray tracing and DLSS 4, which means you get lifelike visuals and smooth frame rates across all types of games. Esports players will notice sharper, faster graphics, while content creators will appreciate the GPU acceleration in software like Blender, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. The RTX 5060 allows both gaming and creative work to run at high efficiency, making this laptop versatile for all kinds of users. Next, let's talk about the display because visuals matter a lot. The ASUS TUF-F16 comes with a 16-inch FHD Plus IPS display at 1920 by 1200 resolution with a 165 Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB coverage. Anti-glare technology ensures minimal reflections, even in brightly lit rooms. G-Sync support keeps your gameplay smooth, without screen tearing or stuttering, which is especially noticeable in fast-paced games. For creators, the high color accuracy ensures that your video edits and designs look exactly as intended. And at 300 nits of brightness, this display is bright enough for most indoor environments, giving you crisp and clear visuals at all times. Memory and storage are just as impressive. The laptop comes with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, giving you lightning-fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and smooth multitasking. If you need more power, you can upgrade to 64 GB RAM and 4 TB SSD, so you won't run out of space for games, videos, or professional projects anytime soon. This is important for users who work with large files, whether it's 3D models, high-resolution images, or video footage. The design of the ASUS TUF-F16 is both rugged and stylish. It has a Jaeger gray chassis, built to withstand the wear and tear of long gaming sessions or frequent transport. The RGB backlit keyboard adds a modern touch while improving visibility in low-light conditions. And thanks to Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt support, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB ports, you can connect monitors, VR gear, external drives, and other peripherals with ease. Audio is another area where this laptop excels. With Dolby Atmos support, you get immersive sound that enhances both gaming and multimedia experiences. Explosions, footsteps, and dialogue in games are all clearer, and movies or music feel richer and more detailed. Another key factor is portability. Despite all this power, the ASUS TUF-F16 weighs only 5 pounds and has a slim form factor. You get a high-performance gaming and creative machine that is still portable enough to carry to school, work, or gaming events. The cooling system is also worth mentioning. ASUS has implemented advanced thermal technology to keep the CPU and GPU cool under heavy workloads. This ensures stable performance and prolongs the lifespan of your laptop, which is especially important for gamers or professionals who push their machines to the limit. To sum it up, the ASUS 2025 TUF F16 Gaming Laptop is a powerhouse in every sense. From the 16-core Intel i7 CPU, RTX 5060 GPU, 16-inch 165Hz FHD Plus display, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD, to the rugged design, immersive audio, and future-ready connectivity, this laptop delivers everything you need. Whether you're a gamer seeking high FPS, a creator needing fast rendering, or a professional looking for reliable performance, the ASUS TUF-F16 is built to meet and exceed your expectations. In short, this laptop isn't just about raw power, it's about providing a complete, versatile, and reliable experience. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that can handle anything you throw at it, from intensive gaming sessions to professional content creation, the ASUS 2025 TUF-F16 should definitely be on your shortlist.